Dinosaurs. We've all probably heard of them. The tall giants, the ones the size of a chicken. So it's no surprise that dinosaurs weren't a recent thing. In fact, the latest dinosaur was probably around 65 million years ago in the Cretaceous period. But we're not going to be talking about the Cretaceous period just yet. Instead, we're going to be talking about the Triassic period. The Triassic period was about 250 million years ago. The earliest dinosaurs were alive about 245 million years ago. The Triassic period is one of the three periods in the Mesozoic era. The other two are the Jurassic period. Yes, Jurassic Park was named after this. And the Cretaceous period. Anyway, back to the Triassic. In the Triassic period, the Earth was one big supercontinent when all the continents were still close and packed together. And yes, the continents used to all be connected. So yeah, the supercontinent was called Pangaea. And eventually, continental drift kicked in and Pangaea started to separate, causing the dinosaurs to split into different habitats and environments. The dinosaurs had to learn to adapt to these new habitats, and this created lots of new species. Speaking of dinosaur species, did you know that there's more than 1,000 dinosaur species that have ever roamed the Earth? No matter how big or small they were, all dinosaurs had at least one thing in common: their ancestor. All dinosaurs descended from the Archosaurs, and eventually evolved into two major groups, which were different because of the way their pelvis was shaped and orientated. The first group was the Saurischian dinosaurs, which were dinosaurs like the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex. Saurischian dinosaurs had a bone in their pelvis called the pubis bone. The pubis bone would face forward and down. The second major group of dinosaurs were the Ornithischian dinosaurs, which include dinosaurs such as the Stegosaurus. Ornithischian dinosaurs had their pubis bone faced backwards and downwards. Dinosaurs, despite having many similarities, had many differences, such as their size, ranging from the Compsognathus being hardly taller than a chicken, to the gigantic titan known as the Dreadnoughtus, which is the biggest land creature there ever was, being 85 feet long. Dinosaurs didn't just vary in size though, they also varied in food. Herbivore dinosaurs, such as the Triceratops, evolved to have flat teeth to grind down hard plant materials, whereas carnivorous dinosaurs, such as raptors, had sharp teeth to split apart meat. Some carnivores even hunted in packs. Yet another difference in dinosaurs is their social behavior. Some dinosaurs traveled together in packs or herds, and some were lone wolves, lone dinos. There is also evidence to suggest that dino herds would visit nesting sites annually to lay eggs. Now we'll move on to the Cretaceous period, which, as I mentioned before, was 66 million years ago. Sadly, most of the dinosaurs had died out by the Cretaceous period, but some still lived, and some even evolved into animals that we see every day, like birds. Still, nobody fully understands why the dinosaurs suddenly went extinct. Most people believe that there was an asteroid strike which caused them to die, but there could be many factors for this. Although dinosaurs will most likely never return, they will never be forgotten. Their descendants and fossils will make sure that their legacy will live on.